So, what does this water pump bearing sound like to you guys? I don't know, I think it's still good. I think it's got some life left in it.